You guys are back. Okay, so this is the video where I'm going to show you how to order your AO scan, how you'll maneuver the site, and then get you started with your AO scan immediately. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can absolutely see the website, which is shop.solexnation.com. You can see it right here. And what you'll want to do is click on join. Now, because this month, the month of July 2025, it is absolutely free to become a quantum living advocate. That's what you're going to want to do. If you decide not to continue next year, go ahead and cancel this, but you're going to love it. Oh my goodness. So click selected, and your first order is the only time that you're going to be able to get a bundle. So there are several bundles to choose from, and if you're going to be building with us, I believe you're going to want the Wired Builder bundle. It's $400. So what you want to do is add it here, and I'll show you what comes with it in just a second. For example, you'll have the AO Scan subscription, you'll have Cephi dots, you'll have Cephi dot sharing kit with that, you'll have the Lightwave optical glasses. Let me just go, I'll go into more detail and show you separately. Then it's super easy. Just add in your name, shipping address, your account information. Just use your name or your business name if you're doing it under your business. Create your password, put in your information, do your payment method. When you choose your payment method, if you click credit card, it will open up a new option. So you can put in different billing information. Go back, and then you'll go ahead and see everything's in your cart. The builder pack and the membership is $0 instead of $49. Super easy. Oh my gosh. So once you do that, immediately you're going to have access to the AO scan. The AO scan is app.aoscan.com. The only way to purchase it is through another quantum living advocate who will be your support. Fortunately, you are part of the most amazing team. We call ourselves Breakthrough Revolution. We're also under the umbrella of Team Taurus and, of course, of Solex. We have incredible training, but I'd like to help you walk with you hand in hand when you join. So first, you'll create a client profile, which you'll create a new client, put in your information. So I already have myself in here. I could quickly just go through and send, myself peace, tranquility, trying to know what to eat. I could do hello AO, but I want to jump right into the inner voice. When you do an inner voice scan, it's going to have you prepare to speak 4, 3, 2, 1. And I have to just allow it on my website. Okay, so then I start speaking and I say, I am Debbie Carlson. This is my first time doing this webinar to just quickly show you how to order and immediately be able to use your AO scan. That is how fast we receive balancing harmonics. I want you to click auto mix. You'll see how that changed this from Tesla down to AO constant. It changed it from triangle down to sawtooth. It gave me the music that I need for right now and the beats. Then I just hit pulse cycle and I listen to my balancing harmonics for 10 minutes or continuous. I can see a report and see why these notes were out of balance, like possibly, basically when we talk or sing, we generate a series of musical notes and chords that emotionally express to the listener characteristics and attributes of our personality, many of which are deeply hidden in our subconscious mind. What we emotionally express through our voice has a profound effect on our personal and business relationships and as a direct extension of our happiness and success. We live our lives largely unaware of the vast amount of information we communicate daily with our voice. The actual words we speak are either empowered or nullified by the programming of our subconscious mind. The link between music and emotions is well established. A motion picture soundtrack is designed to establish our emotional understanding of the film's message. Talented composers skillfully manipulate our emotional response to what we hear by triggering our autonomic nervous system. Their artful manipulation can pull on our heartstrings, bring tears to our eyes, or fill us with hope or terrify us. Ignoring the impact of negative emotions and stress communicated by the voice can put our health into jeopardy. The American Medical Association states that 80% of all health problems are stress related, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has stated that 85% of all diseases appear to have an emotional element. If all you did with your AO scan, that quickly ordering your AO scan, you're going to be able to have access immediately to how the inner voice works. Technology uses sound harmonizing techniques which generate balancing audio frequencies derived from the voice spectrum excesses and weaknesses in the human voice. Stated plainly, inner voice diminishes frequencies that are in excess and supplements frequencies that we lack. Inner voice records your voice, analyzes 12 notes across the 9 octaves. Then the inner voice focuses on the 3 highest notes in your voice that are excessively out of balance or overrepresented or overcompensated for, as well as the lowest note that's being suppressed that we aren't really aware of. In fact, that lowest note is often the most important, and might I add that they are actually picking up 10,000 frequencies in 10 seconds, isolating 2,000, then these 4 notes. Every single note produces a series of tones called overtone series. The human ear tends to hear these subtle variations as essentially the same. Inner voice technology is designed to accurately capture and analyze this data. Inner voice helps harmonize our everyday life by improving concentration, creativity, mindfulness, emotional intelligence, stress management, and interpersonal relationships. Can you agree this would be worth $149 subscription if this is the only part of the AO scan you use? So because I asked you to get that bundle, you're going to get light wave optical glasses, which is chromotherapy that works alongside of your AO scan. Improvement requires daily usage. Your dedication will be rewarded. You will receive an email with 4 audio files, or you can just listen from your app. You can email it to your client. You can email it to your other device. Listen to these 4 audio files 2 to 3 times daily on your smartphone, tablet, or computer, preferably with quality headphones or our bone conducting headset. To strengthen these results, use the recommended lightwave optical glasses that are shown in the report. So you can see how quickly I got my report, and my high frequencies were C sharp, B, and E. My lowest frequency was F sharp. The top note was C sharp, and so the corresponding note C sharp, let's see here. Yeah, the high frequencies. So the corresponding note would be G, the supportive note that I'll listen to, and it's going to help me with creative and independent thinking, releasing of negative experience patterns, resulting in the ability to be more creative. Oh, I love this. Encourages a broader perspective and enhances problem solving. The negative emotions that are related to C sharp being out of balance are repetitive thinking. Thinking patterns may run in endless circles. Solid, concrete thinking and creative abilities may be reduced and may result from the genetic patterns of life experiences that create doubt, fear, intimidation, or the feeling of being overwhelmed. It may be sarcastic, hard on self or others, and can be a precursor to depression due to mental fatigue. So when this popped up, I know I want to wear my lightwave optical glasses. And I know that this isn't saying that I'm only creative thinking or that I'm only repetitive thinking. It's just in this area I am out of balance. So listening to my tones is going to help me with that. And all of these will be covered again. I love it, and you guys are going to love the AO scan. I'm excited for you. So again, in your bundle, one of the other things you're going to get is the lightwave what do we call this? The 660 band, which is red light, 605 and 660. I absolutely love it. You just hold the button for 3 seconds, tap it again, and you're going to get it a little bit more gentle. You can put it anywhere you have pain, anywhere you want to increase microcirculation. On the inside of your wrist is where it's recommended when you're taking liquid supplements, so you can improve the efficacy of your supplements. In just 7 minutes, you're going to charge all of the cells in your body. You're also going to be getting Cepheid dots. So a lot of you have your favorite supplements. You can actually, with your AO scan, transfer the supplement or the frequency or any of the 1,500 frequencies in Cepheid into the Cepheid dot, and it will show you where to put it on your meridians. You don't have to do all of this in the beginning, but it's going to come in your kit so that you're ready to go. You'll also have your bone conducting headset, your LightWave optical glasses. You are ready to go, immediately supporting your emotional and your sense of well-being. Okay, see you in the comments below, shop.solexnation.com/whatever the person who referred you to this video. Mine is Debbie Carlson, and I am thrilled to excited to help with you on this journey. My daughter Caitlin and I also have for our team specific trainings and things to help you get going on your Instagram or other things too. Awesome. See you next